In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in QuickBooks Online. Managing your inventory effectively is an essential part of running a successful business. With QuickBooks Online, you have all the tools you need to keep track of your products and services, adjust quantities, and ensure your records are always up to date, whether you're editing existing items or adding new ones. I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can feel confident maintaining your inventory with ease. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's dive in. First, to access the Sales Center, click on Sales in the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you'll find everything related to your products and services. Once you're in the Sales Center, go ahead and select the Products and Services tab. This will take you to your inventory management page, which acts as the hub for all your inventory-related tasks. Now, if you're looking for a specific item, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in the name or SKU of the item you're trying to find, and QuickBooks will pull it up for you instantly. If you're working with a large inventory, this feature can save you a lot of time. To narrow down your view even further, apply filters. You can focus on specific types of items, such as inventory, non-inventory, or services. This is especially useful if you only want to see a particular category of products. You can also sort your items by column headers like name or quantity. For example, sorting by quantity can help you quickly identify items that may need your attention, such as those running low in stock. When you want to make changes to an item, simply click on it. This will open up the item's details, where you can edit information like its name, SKU, category, type, sales price, cost, or account mapping. If necessary, you can also adjust how the item appears on invoices or receipts. After making any edits, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that all updates are reflected in future transactions and keeps your records accurate. If you need to adjust the quantity of an item, QuickBooks makes that simple too. Just update the quantity field and add a clear memo explaining why the change was made. This memo is important for keeping a record of adjustments and maintaining transparency. Now, if you're adding a brand new product or service, click on the option to create a new item. Start by selecting the correct type for the item, whether it's inventory, non-inventory, or a service. Then fill in the necessary details, such as purchase and sales information, starting quantity, and the date. Once everything is complete, save the new item to add it to your inventory list. If you have items that are no longer needed, you can make them inactive. This keeps your inventory list clean, while preserving historical records for reference. And if you ever need to use an inactive item again, QuickBooks allows you to reactivate it with just a click. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized and up-to-date inventory in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.